Recording.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the show. Big shout out to Jay, a customer slash friend at our dealership that I work at, the BMW motorcycle dealership. Real quick, I'm going to do a very fast demonstration of the cruise control on this bike. It's a 2022 BMW S1000R. So we've got a combination of two switches on the left side, handlebar on the top, that you actuate with your thumb. So it moves right and left and forward and backward. The small switch forward and backward, big switch right and left. So to unlock the function, you have to turn the big, move the big switch to the right, and now we have a red icon on the display showing that that we're ready for cruise control, but it's not active. So to activate it, the small switch, we're just going to push forward and hold until it turns green for a second. It's very important that you hold a steady throttle for a second or two. Now to slow down, you can just push back and it'll slow down continuously, or you can just click it and then it'll do 1 mile per hour increments. That goes for both accelerating and decelerating. So that's the quick little demonstration. And as far as I know, like, the cruise control can only be used between 12 miles per hour and 130 miles per hour. That's 20 kilometers per hour to 210 kilometers per hour, I believe, for those of you overseas. So that's my basic video on the cruise control, and I'm determined to become an expert on this particular bike, so stay tuned for future videos on different features. We will learn together, and I'll end the video up here when I get to my my parking space. This is the outskirts of Jacksonville, Florida. The Shands Pier. This is the St. Johns River that cuts through the city. So I'm going to park it right here. A little scenic way to end the video. And thanks for watching.